Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm to help other people like you find the best work from home job, and also subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when we have brand new work from home opportunities for you. Today's work from home opportunity comes from the company Liquid and Grid. They're looking for a gaming researcher. It pays up to $40 an hour. As a game researcher, you work closely with large mobile gaming companies to build out customized research. You will work directly with the CEO of Liquid and Grid to take data in the form of data in Excel, research reports, and other information and refine it into a well-written, well-constructed Google document report. The work will be broad, ranging from looking at data, forming strategies, and reviewing market analysis. About the company, Liquid and Grid provides information and recommendations to mobile gaming companies. We break down games, features, and content in top grossing games and provide valuable information in monthly reports. We also offer custom work projects, which is where your work would primarily be focused. Hiring process. We hire using tests only so that we ensure as best we can that we hire on pure abilities. This is the first test. There are usually 3 tests and the process takes less than 2 weeks. After the tests, we typically hire 2-3 people to start working on actual projects to see how you do on our team. From there, we will select at least one person. We use Google Forms to track candidates, so do not be surprised if you see a response to fill out a form. The tests are similar to what you would be doing during your work with us, so it's a good opportunity for you to see what you'd be doing. Once hired, you will still be in a hiring period for several weeks as we further evaluate your abilities within our team. Location: we are located in California but have an entirely remote workforce. This role is a contract role that will be done remotely, meaning you can work wherever you want, but it will be ongoing, consistent work. About you: you are diligent, disciplined to get your work done, and smart. You want to have autonomy and do great work that you are proud of. You can manage your own time and you pay attention to details. You are a fast learner and enjoy the challenge of figuring things out. You play some games. Requirements: no prior experience necessary. We often find that people without experience do very well access to a computer and internet, at least one iPad or iPhone for playing mobile games to check things out. You have the ability to work in Google Documents, Google Sheets, and PowerPoint, Keynote. General information: this is a contract position, $40 per hour. The hours will start 10 minutes 20 as we get acquainted with your work. The hours will ramp to 20 minutes 35 as you prove yourself. If you feel like this is the perfect job opportunity for you, we're going to put the link right in the description below so you can apply right away. But if not, don't worry. We're going to have multiple job leads here on this channel every single day. So if you want to keep up, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time we have the best work from home job that's available for you. One last thing, we are going to be giving away Amazon.com gift cards to our subscribers and notified viewers starting at 10,000 subscribers here on our YouTube channel. No purchase necessary in order to participate, and if you would like to increase your chances of getting picked, don't forget to like the video for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified. Leave a comment and share so we can get to 10,000 subscribers faster and get the giveaway started if you would like to participate. It's our way to say thank you and help you on your journey to finding the best work from home opportunity available for you. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.